Hi, I'm Daryl Peterson from Antares Vision, and I'm a business development manager for the inspection systems. Today we're going to show you a little bit about our development system that we have, benchtop development, for developing inspection on various products and containers for automated inspection. This system that you're seeing here today is set up for vial inspection, and I'll point out some of the things that you see inside here, inside the machine. So as you look here, you will see that there is a vial that's being suspended by this device here. And this vial has liquid product inside. It's a standard 10 ml vial. And we're holding it here with this gripper mechanism. This gripper mechanism also has a torque motor on it, which allows it to spin. Why do we spin that? We're going to spin it if there's particles inside there. We're going to be able to move those particles. And the camera that you see over here will be taking images after we stop the vial from spinning so that we can actually catch those particles in motion. We also have various lights you'll see on this system. We have front lights, we have back lights, we have a top light, and we have a bottom light. We can alternate these lights in the system so that we can light it in different ways to be able to make those particles pop out, either by reflecting front lighting or bottom lighting and looking at contrast in the colors of the particles with the liquid medium. So the whole purpose of this setup here is set up for a vial to be able to look at particles. But what you'll also notice next to here is a comparable unit that we have, which has inside of it many different stages set up for different kinds of inspections that you would see inside of a automated inspection machine. You'll notice that different camera here pointing down here towards lighting below and on the side. We have some up here where the camera is pointing up. And they list on the side here exactly what they're for. So you'll see an example here on this particular one. It says this is a bottom and heel inspection for a LIO, freeze-dried product. And these are all set up for different kinds of products and inspections that we can do for various types of containers. This whole system is meant, originally was meant to be internally for our company, which is located in Parma, Italy, as well as our headquarters in the US, which is in Mount Laurel, New Jersey, was meant for us to set up lab environments where we can do feasibility studies for customers. They'll send us their vials, they'll send us their products, their syringes, different containers, and we can set them up in the system and do a feasibility study to determine the capability of automated inspection, what works, what doesn't work. But what we're seeing today is a lot of customers are interested in doing this as well at their plant, where they can do testing of products before they get them in the automated inspection machine, develop the recipes, and then download them to the machine in advance. So that it helps them to actually provide a testing lab to do products in advance, so you don't have to have them sent to our company to do all that work. They can do it themselves. So actually, as we're going to be doing a demonstration of this, we'll go to the front on the screen. You'll actually be able to see the images. So you notice the two different light mechanisms there. We're using a backlight and a bottom light. Bottom light shows the liquid to be dark, but the particles come out. And then a backlight, the particles look dark and the liquid is sort of light. So there's different ways that we can do to determine on every inspection for particles. We try to find the way that best highlights where the particles are. It depends on the types of particles. It can be reflecting particles, it can be contrasted and colored particles. So metal would reflect, things like that, rubber, but maybe something that's glass in there wouldn't be able to see so much. Hi, this is Daryl again from Antares Vision. We're here at the PAC Expo show in Chicago. Please come to our booth here in the South Hall. We'd love for you to see our bench unit for automated inspection, for doing the development of automated inspection for multiple containers.